welcome back to my channel. That sun is getting on my nerves. Not this sun, but that sun. Today my special guest will be my handsome son, Isaiah. Hi, handsome son. No, I'm not picking you up. It's time for you to eat. It's time for mommy to eat. Lord, child, I got some good Kool-Aid over here. Don't look at my broken glass. One drunk night I came in and I dropped some. It was the night I did that one seafood boil with my best friend. That night I went home so drunk, I freaking dropped the glasses, like the glass bowls, these, on top of this, and it broke this in my other glass bowl. So, yeah. I'm still using my baby doll. Like, I need you, baby. All I have today is some snow crabs with some regular garlic butter and then with some Be-Love sauce, of course. I feel so bad because my son, he had just ate, but as soon as I bought this out, he jumped on 10. Like, excuse me. Well, that was good. Let me just bring this over here. So, son, what you do today? What's that baby do today? You can't eat this, Isaiah. And my son don't eat table food, y'all. He 8 months. Like, how he looking at this right now? I swear to God, if he could eat this, if I put it in his mouth, he'll probably take a bite. He'll probably take a couple bites. But, what? What? He wants some, but he ain't gonna eat that shit for real. Every time he tries something, he make a face. Unless it's sour. Hold on. I can't even think of nothing to get him a snack on because he don't eat nothing. Literally, I'm not joking. He don't eat nothing. Where'd that little bottle go? Okay, so he still drinks 2-ounce bottles because at the most he only drink 4 if it's formula. Obviously with the breastfeeding you don't know how much you know. So I don't include that, but with the formula bottles he only drink 4 ounces. But he wastes that, so I make 2-ounce bottles because he don't drink the whole 4 ounces because he don't drink formula for real. And like that's a formula bottle because I'm saving the breast milk that I pump for his babysitters. I hope they did not get on you, baby. Honestly, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, first time mom, I don't even know if I could be eating this next to him, but I have so many times, so that's why I feel comfortable putting him on camera with me eating it right next to him, because I already ate this next to him for no allergic reaction. I have not gave him none, of course. I don't know how the sun look, y'all. I can't really see. It was like a real big glare. At first I had to close my blinds, but I still see a little glare. What, fat daddy? So today me and Isaiah had to walk to the grocery store, which is right behind my building. I really wish I could just get up and show y'all off the balcony window, but I was scared because ain't no scared, but I just didn't want to because I never put my baby in his stroller and walk with him outside in the wintertime yet. So I took him out there. It was hectic. It's like, dog, it was windy. At first I'm like, we ain't gonna make it, but then I'm like, we're gonna make it because he needed his cereal, because he will not drink them formula bottles if it's not no cereal in there. So I had to get him some cereal. So I'm like, come on, son, it's literally like a 3-minute walk. Like, we can make it. We gets there. I grab a couple things, grab the crab legs and some lemons. I'm like, I might as well do a video. I get to the register. She talking about I can't get his Infamil or his cereal. I'm like, let me call Wick, honey. I called them. They talking about it's because I missed some meeting that I rescheduled. Well, we can't give it to you until you actually come to the meeting. I'm like, well, that's bull crap because my son need formula right now. Even though he's breastfed, you know, you still gotta make it sound good. Like, no, he needs formula. So I told her that. She don't care, which irritated me. I'm like, well, I'm like, so y'all can't. So I'm like, y'all can't just give me one thing of Infamil. She like, I'm sorry, unless you come in today. I'm like, my appointment is in 2 days. He don't need the milk. I was just saying that because I was trying to see if she can, you know, put some on there and give me some at least, since I just walked up there with my baby for that. But we walking because we don't have a freaking car. Say, my mama don't got a car. I have a car, but once the battery died, I said, forget that car. Forget that car, son. Wanna play with that? So y'all know this with kids. Like, my son got a lot of toys, but he likes to play with stuff that's not his toys. I don't know if that's, I think it's just bad baby behavior, because I could put all his toys in front of him. He would go for everything that is not his toys. See, I just gave him that because I'm like, I said, yeah, back up off me, bro. It was just no meat in this whole freaking thing. What the hell? I know I didn't just eat that meat. I'm going to go back when I edit things and be like, there really was no meat in there. But, oh, I hate when I tell stories and eat. That's the thing. I'm not used to just eating and talking, so I be trying to do it, but I suck at it. Okay, so they won't give me at least 1 can of formula. So as I'm on the phone with the lady, older lady come up to me like, is that your baby stuff? She was like, here you go, $10. I hope that helps you. And I'm like, thank you. It was so sweet of her. I really did need the $10 too. So I was like, it's just good people out here, you know. She was watching me the whole time, probably like, cause soon as she denied me for the stuff, I just stepped to the side and called Wick, like, just in case they could add something on there. So I'm just something right in there. But I ended up having to buy a can and a cereal. What? Hold on, I gotta go step away and get him a lemon that wasn't on this platter. Boy, you better eat that dang lemon. He's so extra, y'all. So extra. Oh, my nose running. Oh, this sauce is so delicious. He playing with it. Y'all hear that noise he making? But yes, who ready for that tax money, honey? Because I'm buying my car with my tax money. I know that's right. Might as well. What? I hate these. What are you doing? All right, I'm about to do one. Isaiah's so funny, y'all. Y'all really don't know. I promise you, he probably wouldn't even like this. But I am making it look good, though. Because when I came and sat in front of him, he instantly got to jumping all over the table for it. I'm like, son, I just fed you. I did not think you was going to want this. Isaiah, how was that walk to the grocery store? That's all we did today. We woke up at like, what time we wake up? 12:30. I instantly started getting them ready though for us to go, which took freaking 45 minutes. Oh, you gotta wait after this bite, cause you don't know what you want. Ooh, child, I love having a son. I ain't gonna hold you up. To be honest with you, I have a million of them. The fact that I can carry and birth a child really blows my mind for some reason. Like, I know I should expect it because I'm a woman, but it just blows me. It makes me so happy. You happy to be here? You don't know nothing about this cold world, Jack. Yeah, ain't nobody here with us, so you know, I gotta do what I gotta do. Yeah, get that lemon. Oh, that's what I forgot to get my baby. That's what I said. See, I forgot because I got distracted. Hold on, baby. I'm about to get you another one. I forgot I said I was going to get him some dang on strawberries because he likes strawberries. That's what he would have said. But I would have had to feed him that. I wouldn't have been able to keep going back and forth from this to that. The lemon is easy because I bought the $6 bag, so it was like a lot of them in there. And I had my lemons cut up because I do seafood a lot, so I just keep them cut up because I use them every other day. I can't wait till I get a car, y'all. I'm tired of this. I wouldn't be getting no grocery store crab legs if I had a car. I promise you that. Look how you eating on that. Y'all should have seen him earlier with that little 2-ounce bottle. He was drinking 2 ounce earlier. And where your stuff just go? But he owned a boob too. So he waving a 2 ounce in his hand while he on the boob. I'm like, boy, just drop it. Just give it up. Like, why you still on it? There you go. Get it. Yeah, I do be wishing I had somebody with me when I do my videos. Help me with the baby. Give me something to talk about. You know. I need to do something else with China. I know this one challenge I want to do. I'm trying to do it. What's today? Tuesday? I'm off on Mondays and Wednesdays. I'll probably do my next video on, not Wednesdays, I lied. Mondays and Thursdays. I'll probably do my next video on Thursday. Today, Tuesday. Probably won't edit this till tomorrow. Because after this, I'm putting my baby to sleep. And I'm about to take a nap before work. I'm going to clean up first because I got to clean up. Just a little bit. Nothing major. I already cleaned up. When I start cooking, start cleaning my kitchen. Because yesterday I was so freaking tired. Like, I don't know why. Oh, I do know why. But I was so tired. I wonder how everybody Valentine's Day was. Mine was good. I went to Starters. Got me a couple steak bites. That's my favorite thing from there. And what else did I have from there, son? What else did I have from there? I think I only got steak bites. See, I can eat all of these because these are so little. Where your lemon? Where your lemon go? Do you gotta do that every time I take a bite so it look like you just over here starving and just eating your face? But my son, y'all, he really likes lemons. It's crazy, man. I would have never thought he was gonna like lemons. But he do. I was supposed to hang out with my friends today and do spaghetti and wine. Spaghetti, chicken, and wine, but I gotta work. I can't hang out when I gotta work because I'm the type of person I always need a nap before work. Sometimes I can't. Like if I didn't have a baby, I think I would have still hung out today before work. But by me having a baby, and we literally just went out the other night and he was giving me a hard time because he was sleepy. I don't have time. I just dropped my whole lemon in that. That was good. Oh! Oh! Oh, it was so good, Isaiah. Isaiah! Isaiah! Easy! I'm glad I wore a short wig because anything else in the beginning is butter sauce. Butter sauce. Lemon. My alarm is going off. I meant to just turn it off, but I had to exit the whole video and just start over. Start recording again. Oh, you just dropped it on me? No. I'm just going in. I'm glad I don't got to share this with nobody. It actually feel good now to share all this. Because crab legs, honestly, seafood is like a snack to me. Don't get me wrong, it can get me full at the moment, but I can start back eating it like within 30 minutes. Where your lemon? I won't be doing the video again with my son. He is too small. He got me constantly stopping. You require too much attention. Too much maintenance, son. I need some with a little less maintenance. Give me a cat. That's what I should have got. Instead of a goddamn baby. You know what I'm saying? Should have got a cat. Should have got Isaiah. A cat or Isaiah? Because I don't know. I really thought he was going to be like, he's not being bad, y'all. He's not being bad. But I really thought he's going to be like super good once he seen that I was recording. I know y'all probably laughing like, bitch, how would you know you're recording? I don't know. I just thought he was smart like that. I don't know what I was thinking, y'all. I'm glad you got this little resting, this little thing for me to rest my arm on, son. Thank you, your mama. Appreciate you, baby. He's so sweet, y'all. He's so sweet. He's so sweet. That boy is so sweet to his goddamn gone mama. I love lemons on my freaking seafood. It's really to die for, you know. Izzy, what you gotta say? What you gotta say, baby? What you gotta say to these people? You can say whatever you want to say now. Show them how you be talking to me. Hi, son. Oh! What, you want another one? You want another one? I'm tired of you. That might feel like constantly. I should have just bought some and sent them over here. I didn't think you was gonna go through 4 of them already. I love him though. Hi, Jenna. Okay. All right. You okay? I see. Long that goddamn gone baby, okay. I don't know why I'm being mean to the garlic sauce, because that shit good. That beloved sauce is just better though. I can't help myself, literally, like. He teed it too. No. Oh. Boy, look at your non-natural clothes. So we out here, mama. Right. Cause I knew that, son. I knew it all this time. You know your mama know everything and shit. You know, I might know a thing or two, but it seems like you know a thing or 2 or 3. I don't know, I just made that up. Sounded cool. I said it in my head. Every little piece. Well, if the meat will come out. Dang, look, I just broke this whole little leg up. Ain't nothing come out. Tiny little leg, though. I'm gonna let it live. I will say it after I broke her down to pieces. After I broke Shorty down to pieces. I say, but you like this. Oh, yes you can. You like eating right now? I was just joking. I turned around. He really was eating like that. Ooh, I ate a lot. I'm gonna try to finish all this because I can too. Maybe just a touch. I can't get no good ones. Where I put that name for it? Like, what the heck? What are you doing that for? He always do that noise. He was crazy about that noise. He been doing that shit since he was like a couple months. You told me I was gonna eat all this. Now I'm being full. You gotta eat that all the way down. I don't know, y'all. I was hoping it came out. Your nose running. Well, it's over for that. This was my last one. Isaiah, he a mess. He's a mess. If you like this video of me and my handsome son, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that post notification bell so you get notified immediately when I post any upcoming posts. Please and thank you. I hope everybody get their tax money and live their best life. Can I say that, son? Can I say that? Well, I did. Because I know I'm still waiting on mine, so I can live mine, honey. So we can be back mobile, huh, son? Back mobile. Can't even go nowhere. If you like this video, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that post notification bell so you get notified immediately when I post any upcoming posts. Please and thank you.